Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, the new song has dropped from the film RRR. This is Nacho Nacho, the Hindi one. I will be reacting to the Hindi song. This is already trending on number 10 in music, which is, I'm really not surprised. Honestly, I am not surprised. And the composition is by the revered musician and composer MM Cream. And yeah, let's not delay this any further. Let's look at the song right away. So who all has listened to all the versions? Let me know. All right. Nacho Nacho. So it's a dancey song, I'm guessing. Okay.
बैल जैसे धूल उड़ा के सींग उठा के तुम भी नाचो, बाज जम के ताल ढोल बेटा राजू उड़ के नाचो।
हीरो से भी तेज कोई कर सके जो बेद नाचो,
अस्तबल में घोड़े जैसे पाक टोर छोड़ नाचो। मिट्टी जो रोट मोटा मिर्चा खा के ऐसे नाचो। हाँ जा छोरे,
हाँ जा गोरे,
हाँ जा छोरे, नाचो 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 वीर नाचो, नाचो 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 नाचो
Oh man.
नाचो 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 कच्ची कैरी जैसा खट्टा नाचो, नाचो 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 बिच्छू काटा लागे ऐसा नाचो।
Oh, the behind the scenes. Vishal and Rahul.
गूंज ढोल ऐसे देखो धंधना के रोगी नाचे।
शोर सुन लो है धमाका जैसे शेर हाथी नाचे। देखो दिल का ये मेला यार अपने साथ नाचो,
एड़ियों के जोरों पे तुम धड़ाका देसी नाचो।
पसीना माथे का चमके दमके ऐसे नाचो। हाँ जा छोरे, हाँ जा गोरे,
हाँ जा छोरे, नाचो 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 वीर नाचो, नाचो 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 यार नाचो, नाचो 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 आगो वारा राग छेड़ा नाचो, नाचो 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 उसने चक्का लागे तीखा नाचो।
Wow.
झूमे गाँव है रेला, ऊंचा पाँव यूं पटका है ये देसी का मेला। कैसा रहा यकायकी, नाचो 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 नाचो।
अरे धूम धूम थिरके जा, पाँव में जान जगा, धुमक धुमक नाचे जा, दुनिया हिला दे सारी, नाचो नाचो नाचो।
The music. Oh my god. मतलब I think no explanation is required for this song, that how cool and awesome this song is. I was almost like, I'm really holding myself back. I really wanted to like go all out and groove with the song, but you know, the visuals are also really nice. And just the ending, when the beat The choreography is going to be insane. That ending shot. Oh my god. Just both of them, like, I knew Ram Charan is already a very good dancer. I already knew that he was very good at dancing. But Junior NTR, I had no idea that he dances so well. I had absolutely no idea. Oh my goodness. Nacho, Nacho. I can already foresee that how much whistle blowing is going to happen when this song will appear on screen, and people are going to just hoot and shout and clap and whistle and dance in the theaters. I won't be surprised if that happens because the energy of the song is amazing. This composition, let's first talk about the song itself. The composition is amazing, so upbeat, energetic, full of life. I mean, the title is justified. Nacho Nacho. The title is extremely, fully justified. Super duper hit song. This is trending on 10. This will keep trending, I feel, for several days now, this song. Just absolutely mind-blowing, the beats of the song. Then both the singers have sung so well. Vishal and Rahul, the one with who sang the Hindi version. Both of them absolutely brilliantly done. They have put in so much energy and feeling to the song. You can totally feel that they were also smiling and, being so happy while singing the song. I can totally see in the recording studio also they would have been so hyped up just to record this song. Absolutely fantastic. Then the choreography is going to be amazing for the song. We just got a little glimpse, We just got a little glimpse of what we can expect from this song. It's a very large scale song. Obviously, this full movie is like a big budget, visual treat. But this song is going to have insanely amazing choreography. And it might have a very complex choreography, but more than the complexity of the dance and the steps, it is the way both Ram Charan and Junior NTR, they are in sync. Like, not one beat is out of place. Not a single beat is out of place. Every step, it's like clones dancing together. How much they are in sync, and I can just totally imagine the amount of practice that it would have taken to perfect the steps so that it looks like, really, they look a carbon copy of each other. Honestly, should I listen to the original, like the Telugu one also? Let's listen to the Telugu one also. I was not planning on listening to the Telugu one, but I really want to. After listening to the song, I really want to. RRR song. I don't know what is the title in Telugu. Nattu Nattu. Okay. Let's watch this also. Why not? Okay. In the initial also, initial steps. Look at them in sync. The sets, visuals, fantastic. So Rahul and Kala in this version.
పట్టేలాగా కీసు పిట్ట కూసినట్టు చేలు సిక్కలేసేలా ఎవ్వారం సాగినట్టు కాలు సింధుతో
Whistle worthy song.
రేగినట్టు ఒళ్ళు చెమట పట్టేలా ఈ రంగం చేసినట్టు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నాటు 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 వీర నాటు 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 పూర నాటు
Amazing. This is gonna go viral in reels.
భూమి తత్తరిల్లేలా ఒంటిలోని రగతమంతా రక్కలేసి ఎగిరేలా ఏసే రోయకాయకి నాటు నాటు నాటు
The final step, the energy, both of them.
పానమంతా టుముకులాడేలా దూకేరో సరాసరి నాటు నాటు నాటు
Oh my god. They should, you know what? They should. I'm so glad I checked this one out also. Let me stop this. They should totally do this. They should totally do like a Reels challenge or like a YouTube short challenge for that particular part. Natu. They should totally do a Reels challenge or something they should do to just, this is already going to go viral. So even the Telugu one is trending. This version, it's on the Hindi one is trending on 10, this is trending on 30. I am telling you, they should totally do a Reels or a Shorts challenge for this. It's going to be epic. It's going to be epic. Wow, fantastic. I thoroughly enjoyed this. How many calories they burned while dancing to the song, I don't know. Probably thousands of calories. So that was the reaction for Nacho Nacho and Naatu from the upcoming film RRR, from the upcoming magnum opus RRR. Oh, already the box office is ringing. Already it is ringing. Yes. So that is the reaction for today, guys. I will be signing off now and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.